this is again like day 3 of one funnel away challenge. So as I said, in day 3 you will see how you can change your mindset about your business, whichever you are doing or you are planning to do. So in the first step of this takeaways, first one will be like what actually the product and business and customer is. So we will talk about this. So first statement will be your product is not your business. It is just one of the framework to get the results, right? So like your as of now, what most of the people or most of the businessmen, they think like whatever their product is, that is their business. But basically they need to think like what their product is solving, what problem that product is solving. So that is actually their business. Because yeah, we will talk about it in later slides also. So as I said, like business is providing the specific kind of results to the customer, right? Your customer comes to you because they have some problem and you have the solution of that, right? So your business is providing some kind of solution, or they are giving some kind of result to the customers. Again, customer does not buy your product, they buy the solution of their problem. So this is very, very important. We need to understand that customer come to you not to buy your product, but your product is one of the medium to solve the problem. So this is the mindset, business mindset we need to shift. So as per the traditional business, what we think like our product is like the thing, and this is the business, and we don't think like what this product is solving, what this product is doing for the customer. So you should, you should be the visionary about the product or about the services you are providing. So you need to focus on the problems your product is solving for your customers. So in that day 3, Russell will give an example of drill and a hole analogy. So you can understand like, okay, so suppose you have a shop and you are selling a drill. So your customer is coming to you to buy a drill, right? So they actually do not want to buy the drill. They actually want to dig a hole in the wall, on the wall, or on anywhere at any surface, right? So their main purpose, their main problem is like they want to dig a hole and they want the solution for it, right? And they are coming to get the solution of that particular problem, and you have that product that can solve their problem. So they buy the product, they buy the drill, but ultimately they don't want to buy the drill, but they want to dig a hole. That is why they are buying the drill. So you can understand that if you have a if you have if you have a business and you are providing a product, so you can think like what that product is solving, and you can scale your business according to the solution of the customer's problem. I hope it is very clear to you. And so, uh, yeah, so if your product is not performing well in the market, so there might be many reasons. But if you if you want to make your product cheaper, so there can be two ways. Either you can lower the price, right? That is definitely a not a good way of doing business. If you lower the price, definitely people will think, or maybe the main mindset of customer will be like this product might not be the good, right? So lowering the price is not the solution for any business. That is the worst way of doing business, by lowering the price. Second thing will be increase the value of the product. And how you can increase the value, for that you need to understand like what, again, like what is the problem that your product is solving. So around that you can make some other offers, or you can you can add on to your product, so that that will be more, the value will be more for that particular product. Again, so you need to create some irresistible offer stack. So on day 3 you will learn how you can create an irresistible offers, so nobody can deny to that offer. So as we discussed in earlier days, like for sorry, so suppose if you are a business, if you are a fitness trainer, right? If you are a fitness trainer, then the end result of for your clients will be getting fit. And for that you have different sets of frameworks which you follow to get the core result. Suppose you will give them some sets of exercises, you will give them diet plan, or you will give your customer some kind of macro management checklist, or nutrition checklist. So everything you will provide to them, but there will be one framework which is very special for you, so that you will select as a flagship framework. So suppose if you have selected like a course or video of all the exercises, so that will become a flagship framework for you. And rest of the things like all the checklist, all the nutritionist thing, or all the diet chart, that you can give your customer as an offer. So your offer can be, okay, I have this set of exercise which can definitely help you to reduce the weight. Okay, so that will be your main framework that you will be selling maybe of $7 or $24 or whatever, as per the price of the product. And then you can say like, okay, then the customer will say, okay, what else, because this thing is available in the market, but what else you are giving? So you should give like all other frameworks, like all the diet plan, nutrition plan, okay, all the macro management things. So you can provide those particular things, those other frameworks as an offer to your customers. So it applies to any business. So think about your business, that you are doing some business and you have some frameworks which you can provide to your customers. And that, choose that one flagship framework you can provide to your customers, and to increase the value of that particular framework, you can give other frameworks as an offer or as a bonus to your customers. So think about your business and think about the solution it is, I mean, your product is solving, and you can create offer according to your business, right? I hope it is clear. So if you have any doubt, you can put your question and I'll try to answer that. So now it comes to assignment. So in the assignment, as I said, you need to create offer. Creating your irresistible offer stack is the main goal for day number 3. So as I said, like day number like 1, 2, 3 will be base or foundational day for your business. So on these days you will learn, like you will, your mindset will be changed, and you will think about your product and whatever solution it is providing, how you can provide the offer. So this day is very very important. So in that day you will create offer. As I said, like there will be core results and there will be sprinter results, right? So all these sprinter results will make a core result. So you need to choose one sprinter framework for you as a main flagship framework. And again, like as I said, like this will be your sprinter framework, that will be your main product, and all other things you will provide, all other frameworks, sprinters framework, you will provide as a offer to a customer to increase the value of your product. As I said in yesterday's video, so just Russell gave an example of his phone. So his iPhone was worth like $500, but if you sell that in the market, they will say, okay, it is worth $500 and nobody will pay more than $500. But how he has increased the perceived value of that particular phone, he has said like, okay, in this phone he has the contact of celebrities like Tony Robbins, right? So definitely the perceived value has increased. And then he said like, okay, in this phone I have all the ebooks, all my learnings whichever I have done throughout the year, and I have throughout the whole life, and he has invested thousands of dollars in learning. So uh, you know uh, all those learnings are there in the mobile, right? Other than that, he has all the PDFs, audiobooks, everything is there in the phone. So he has said like, okay, now this $500 product has become maybe, you can say like more than $1,000, $2,000 as per the value you have increased. So similarly, you can also provide your product as a solution to your customers, and along with your product, your main product, you should provide some extra values which is in the relevance of the product, or the core result. By this you can increase the perceived value of your product, and definitely you will increase your business. So here is an example of an offer stack. So this is, I think, about one book which they are selling. So maybe that, yeah, so in that book that cost around 20-30 dollars, but they are giving it as free. But you need to pay for the shipping price like $10. You need to pay for that particular book, and along with that you are getting that much of values, right? So you can say like total value is $609, right? And you are getting it at $10. So this is called an irresistible offer. So you can also create irresistible offer according to your product or your services. And along with that, there will be some these two videos which are very important, like how you can offer hack Offer hacking is nothing means it is just like checking all the offers in the market and providing or creating your offer accordingly. Second is greatest showman. So this is these two videos will be very useful for you to create your own offer. And as I said, like this is a brainstorming. This will be in your one pager or in your assignment. So you need to list down your flagship framework, that is the main framework, and again you can provide the offer accordingly. Okay, so this is all about in day 3. So basically main three day 3 key takeaways are: customers do not buy the product, they buy the solution that your product gives, or that product gives, right? And you need to create an irresistible offer by adding extra bonuses or extra value to increase that perceived value of that particular product. So this is all about day 3. I hope this will help you to shift the mindset of business, and I hope, like, if you have any product, then definitely you can create an irresistible offer for your product. So I hope this is very helpful for you, and this is all for day 3. And if you have any questions, you can definitely DM me. You can comment on this video, and we can discuss, and I'll provide you the support. So thank you so much.